Welcome back, viewers, to another episode of Product Critique. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. Feast your eyes on the best women's ringmaster costume available in the market. This stunning ensemble is more than just a costume. It's a statement piece that exudes elegance and charm. Let's dive into what makes this costume truly dazzling. First up, we have the jacket. Crafted with precision, this jacket features tails for added elegance, and gold-trimmed buttons and straps for a regal touch. It's the perfect combination of sophistication and style. Next, let's talk about the dress. With a checkered pattern on the top and sequin fringe pattern on the bottom, this dress is designed to turn heads. It's both playful and glamorous, making it the ideal choice for any circus-themed event. But wait, there's more. The costume also comes with a sequined cape that attaches to the epaulettes, adding an extra layer of drama to your look. And let's not forget about the collapsible top hat, the perfect finishing touch to your ringmaster ensemble. Whether you're stepping into the spotlight as the ringmaster of the circus or simply looking to make a bold fashion statement, this costume has got you covered. With its impeccable craftsmanship and attention to detail, it's no wonder why it's the top choice for women everywhere. And there you have it, folks. The Dazzling Ringmaster costume for women, the best women's ringmaster costume on the market. Don't miss your chance to stand out from the crowd and unleash your inner showman. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy shopping.